have this 4-bedroom apartment with a hall and majlis as well. As we enter into the apartment, you can see a nice majlis with a separate entrance and a separate bathroom as well. Balcony still needs some fixtures, but this is a nice massive room. If we move towards this side, you're gonna see the main apartment itself, which has the hall here basically on the left side. There's a nice massive hall with another balcony, so there's a majlis with balcony and hall with balcony. And this is the kitchen. Shelves are yet needed to be fixed, but it's gonna be fixed soon, so yeah. Laundry area. One room with a common toilet outside. 2 room. Also, this one has a common toilet outside, and we have 2 master rooms as well. This is room 3 with attached toilet, walk-in closet area, and room 4 with an attached toilet as well. So 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 halls, 2 balconies, closed kitchen. This is a 4-bedroom apartment in Head.